Hi guys, welcome to your 23 tutorial in XHTML. Now, moving on from the last one, what I've done is I've changed and given the heading of page 3, okay? And up here, I'm going to give it a background color of blue. Alright, so if we go ahead first of all, I'll just run that in Firefox, just see what we're going to get here, okay? So there you go, that's what we get. But what we can do here is, you see the way that's black, you can't really see it, what we can do here is we come in here and go color dash white. So this should show up now, instead of having what we did have, which was black inside the blue, which is hard to look at. We can just change it up, and there you go, we get it white, okay? And after that, let's just make this a little bit bigger. We can go in here and say width dash say 500 pixels, and then go for a height dash we go for 150 pixels, okay? So if we just go and save that again, we go into our browser and we refresh this. Now, see we have here now, alright? So coming back in here, we could actually go, instead of our pick where we did this and keep things so we can go border 3 picks solid black. And solid, as you see, is one straight line, okay? It's going to be no dots, no nothing, it's not a style, it's just solid, okay? If we go back in here and refresh this, and press it, see that? We have that there. So this one is pretty simple. We've changed the background color to blue, but we've given the color of the text itself white, which will show up better. We give it a width, we give it a height, and then we give it a solid border of 3 pixels solid black. Right, we're going to move on from these ones in the next lecture, and we're going to move on to a new topic, and hopefully stick around for that. We'll move on to links. Okay, catch you later. Bye bye.